Assalamu alaikum class 4. It's our 13th lecture of English A. So today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Book 4. First of all, open page number 38. At the top of the page, write down the date. Unit 4, Variety Entertainment. So this chapter is about entertainment. Words to know. Announcement, a statement giving people information or news. Audience, the people who have gathered to see or hear something. Crescent, a curved shape. Embarrassed, uncomfortable or ill at ease, ashamed. Explode, to burst or blow up. Glower, to look hard at somebody in anger. Interrupt, to stop a speaker in the middle of his or her speech, to disrupt. Marvelous, excellent, wonderful. Pop song, a popular modern song. Terrier, a type of dog. Vanish, to disappear. Variety, a collection of different things. So now we will start the reading. 3 weeks before the end of term, Mr. Khan called the class together. Now quieten down, children, and listen carefully. He said, I have an important announcement to make. So, before their final exam, Mr. Khan called the class together and told them, listen carefully. It is an important announcement for them. Quieten mean khamosh, announcement mean elan. The children of class 4 crowded around their teacher. He is going to scold us, whispered Daniel. I doubt it, said Feroz. So the students of class 4 crowded around their teacher. Crowded mean hajum. Daniel thought that teacher will going to scold us. Scold mean dantna, but Feroz disagreed with that. Doubt means shak. I think it's good news rather than bad, suggested Maham. So Maham said it is not a bad news, it will be a good news. How do you know? Asked Ali, the shortest boy in the class. He's smiling, said Maham. If it was bad news, he wouldn't be smiling, would he? So Ali asked, he's the shortest boy in the class. Then how do you know? So Maham said that teacher is smiling. If it was a bad news, he wouldn't be smiling. Said Mr. Khan loudly and glowered at the talkers. Rather mean balke, suggested mean tajweesh pesh karna. Glowered mean nazar jama kar dekhna. So Mr. Khan stared at the student who were talking. Maham smiled like an angel. Ali pretended to be thinking, and Daniel became suddenly interested in something caught in his sleep. So they all got engaged in some kind of activity. Angel mean farishta, pretended mean drama. When the children were quiet, Mr. Khan announced, in a couple of weeks there is to be a variety entertainment in the large hall. So when all were quiet, Mr. Khan announced that in coming few weeks there would be a variety entertainment in large hall. Entertainment means tafree, variety means kisam. Great, shouted Ali excitedly. I like entertainments and magic shows. And Mr. Khan stared at him with a look that could kill. So he stopped talking. So excitedly mean खुशी से. Ali shouted that I like entertainments and magic shows, but Mr. Khan stared at him with a look that would kill. So he stopped talking. Stared mean gurna. As I was saying before I was interrupted, continued Mr. Khan, the headmaster wants class 4 to provide this year entertainment. You will all have to think hard about what you are going to do for show. So Mr. Khan asked them what they will do in the entertainment show. Interrupted mean mudakhlat karna, provide mean muhayya karna. The next day, Mr. Khan asked the children what they had planned. One by one, they told him their ideas. Planned mean mansuba banana. Sadia was going to dance. Maham and Hania were going to do a meme. Yasir, Feroz and Anjum were going to sing a pop song. Daniel was going to read a poem. Muin, Atif and Sarah were going to perform a shadow play. They all had ideas of what they wanted to do. Only Ali remained silent, so all of them shared their ideas with their sir. Meme mean nakal, shadow mean tasawrati. And what are you going to do, Ali? asked Mr. Khan. I shall do some magic, replied Ali. I hope you know some good tricks, his teacher warned. Don't get up there and make a fool of yourself, boy. So the teacher asked Ali what you are going to do. So Ali replied that I will do some magic. So the teacher warned him, don't get up and make yourself fool. Warn mean khabardar karna, tricks mean chal. I will think of something, said Ali softly. 2 weeks later, the children were busy behind the stage. The large hall was full. There was people from the other classes, member of staff, parents and guests in the audience. All the seats were taken. There was a loud murmur of excited voices in the audience and great excitement behind the curtain too. So after 2 weeks, all of them were busy behind the stage. The hall was full of students from other classes, staff member, parents and guests and the audience. All of the seats were taken and there were a loud murmur of excited voices in the audience. Murmur mean धीमी आवाज से बात करना, curtain mean पर्दा, audience mean हाजरीन. The lights dimmed and the hall was plunged into darkness. The curtain rose and the show began with Sadia's dance. So the lights were dimmed and the hall was plunged into darkness. The curtain rose and the show began with Sadia dance. The show went very smoothly. The audience clapped and cheered and all the performers did a great job. So all of the performers performed very well. Cheered Khushi. At last it was Ali's turn. Everyone clapped as he walked onto the stage. Wearing a green robe and a tall pointed hat painted with stars and crescent moons, he looked like a real magician, but what was he going to do? So now it was Ali's turn. He was wearing a green robe and a tall pointed hat with stars and crescent moons. He was looking like a real magician. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, said Ali. Tonight I am going to perform vanishing trick. I am not going to make a coin disappear. I am going to make an egg disappear. No, I am going to make my dog Smokey disappear. Vanishing mean ghaib hona, so he said that I will do a vanishing trick to the audience. Everyone cheered loudly. Ali took a large sheet from the table at the back of the stage. He waved it about to show it was only a sheet. Has the dog gone up in Smokey already? Shouted someone from the audience. Ali smiled. Then he went to the side of the stage and called out, Smokey, 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 come here, boy. So it was the start of his trick. He was calling Smokey to come here, but no dog appeared. Come here, Smokey, shouted Ali again. The audience laughed. Ali left the stage and reappeared carrying a small terrier in his arms. Terrier mean ताकतवर कुत्तों की किसी नस्ल का कुत्ता. This is Smokey, announced Ali, and he is now going to be made to disappear. So he said now he is going to disappear that dog. Ali held the dog in his arm with some difficulty. Smokey wriggled and turned. Ali placed the sheet over the dog and held the bundle tightly. So he held the dog with some difficulty. Smokey wriggled and turned, and he placed the sheet over the dog. Smokey barked at the audience and then ran and hid under the table at the back of the stage. So Smokey ran from that place and hid under the tables. The audience could not see Smokey because he was hidden behind a tablecloth. How they laughed! So Smokey was hidden behind a tablecloth. Assalamu alaikum class 4. It's our 13th lecture part B. Ali did not mind. He pulled Smokey out from under the table and once again. So Ali did not mind and he pulled the Smokey under the table and once again placed the sheet over him. He reached for the wand and again Smokey jumped from his arms and ran under the table. So again the Smokey did the same. He ran from that place. This time the audience roared with laughter. Wand mean jadoo ki chadi. Some magic trick, shouted one of the boys from class 6. Why don't you disappear? Cried another and the audience giggled. So each of audience shouted that why don't you disappear? Cried another and the audience giggled. Giggled mean हंसते हुए. Ali looked worried and a little embarrassed. What was this part of his act? So Ali was worried and embarrassed too. Worried mean परेशान, embarrassed mean शर्माना. As you can see, he said bravely, it was a difficult trick. Ali crawled under the table with his sheet and came out with a wriggling bundle. He held on to it more tightly this time and managed to take the wand in his left hand and wave it around the sheet. So this time Ali managed him with great force and take the wand in his left hand and wave it around the sheet. Crawl mean ringna. So abracadabra, hocus pocus, ritama, matata, toodle oo. He shouted and then flung the sheet up in the air. So he shouted his spell, then flung the sheet up in the air. Flung means zor se फेंकना. The audience gasped in surprise. The sheet floated gently down to the stage, but there was no dog to be seen anywhere. Gasp mean hampna. So everyone was in surprise because there was no dog beneath the cloth. Amazing, well done, cried the audience and applauded loudly as the curtain came down. Amazing mean kamal, applauded mean tareef ki. When the bell rang the next day and the children went into their class, Mr. Khan congratulated them on marvelous show. So Mr. Khan congratulated each of the students on their marvelous show. Ali said, Mr. Khan, your trick was just great, but tell us how you did it. So Mr. Khan asked Ali, how did you did it? It was magic, said Ali with a shy smile. No, tell us, Ali, tell us, cried the others. So each of them asked him how you did it. Well, what happened was this, explained Ali. Before the curtain went up, I put some of Smokey's favorite biscuits under the table. I showed Smokey where they were. So now he is explaining how he did it. When I carried him onto the stage, I did not hold on to him too tightly. I allowed him to jump out of my arms twice and run under the table. When I went to get Smokey for the third time, I only pretended to put him under the cloth. He was still under the table, munching biscuits. This time Ali received a loud cheer from his classmate. He looked so pleased. Munching mean chabana, pleased mean masroor. So in this way their entertainment show came to the end. So this is the end of chapter number 4. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.